Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix pinned tabs disappearing in Chrome. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's settings page where you can customize how your browser behaves and configure various features. The settings page is your control center for all Chrome preferences, so it's important to familiarize yourself with it. Once you're in the settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a navigation panel with different categories. Look for the option labeled on Startup and click on it. This section specifically controls what happens when you launch Chrome, which is directly related to your pinned tabs issue. Now, here's where you'll fix the problem. In the On Startup section, you'll see a few different radio button options that determine Chrome's behavior when it opens. Click on the radio button next to continue where you left off. This setting is crucial because it tells Chrome to restore all your tabs, including your pinned ones, exactly as they were when you last closed the browser. Without this setting enabled, Chrome might start fresh each time, causing your pinned tabs to disappear. And that's it. Your pinned tabs will now stay in place every time you open Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.